Welcome back to 504 Road Trips. Today we continue our drive southbound on I-95 beginning at mile 53 as we cross the Appomattox River and enter the independent city of Petersburg, Virginia. We're on the Richmond-Petersburg Turnpike here, although we'll only see that name until exit 51. There we'll see the northern terminus of Interstate 85, which we covered several years ago. The Richmond-Petersburg Turnpike continues south, or actually west, on I-85 for a few more miles. We see a sign indicating a control city of Rocky Mount, North Carolina, as well as Miami, which is the southern terminus of I-95, still nearly 1,000 miles away, and coming in from I-85 is US Highway 460 East, which will tag along with I-95 to exit 48A. Also nearby are US 301 and US 1 as seen on the diagram. Petersburg is a city with a long and significant past. Founded in the 18th century, it became an important center for commerce and transportation thanks to its location along the Appomattox River. Petersburg played a major role during the Civil War, serving as the site of a prolonged and pivotal campaign that ultimately led to the fall of Richmond and the end of the Confederacy. Today, Petersburg is known for its well-preserved historic districts, including cobblestone streets, antebellum architecture, and landmarks like the Petersburg National Battlefield. The city also continues to grow and revitalize with new businesses, arts initiatives, and community projects shaping its future. Above Rocky Mount, we see a new control city of Emporia, which is the last city we'll pass through before crossing the state line into North Carolina. The south end of I-295 is accessed here via a left exit. We're now in Prince George County, which had a population of 43,010 as of the 2020 census. At exit 45, the right lane ends at an interchange with US 301, and we won't see any more long-term third lane until we get into the state of Georgia.
Bringing rain and the cops came again. We were staying up late despite the neighbors' complaints, playing records. We lit a fire up back. I got a bit high, so I passed out inside till the sun rise. Why do I know what this is for? You gotta let me in on the secrets whenever I lay down to sleep. I don't remember my dreams. Why am I so fucking bored? You gotta give me something to work with. Why can't I stay up on my feet?
We pass through the census-designated place of Templeton, which had a population of 372 as of the 2020 census. The community is at a junction of I-95, US 301, and State Routes 35 and 156, and consists of a small mobile home park, a campground, and some farmland. Templeton isn't even mentioned on the sign at exit 41, although that exit directly serves the community. Rather, it references Cortland, which is 32 miles down State Route 35.
Why don't I know what this is for? You gotta let me in on the secrets whenever I lay down to sleep. I don't remember my dreams. Why am I so fucking bored? You gotta give me something to work with. Why can't I stay up on my feet? Feels like I'm stuck on repeat. We were always on the outside, staring through the window, seeing what it looks like. Now we're here, we're sat in a room. There's some guys wearing suits, they're trying to read us the rules. Why don't I know what this is for? You gotta let me in on the secrets whenever I lay down to sleep. I'm so fucking bored. You gotta give me something to work with. Why can't I stay up on my feet? Feels like I'm stuck on repeat.
We enter Sussex County, which had an estimated population of 10,763 as of 2021. Most of this rural county lies east of I-95 and has no incorporated cities. Its county seat, also called Sussex, is located at the geographic center of the county, is unincorporated, and only has 181 residents. There are 2 incorporated towns on the eastern reaches of the county along US 460, and one right off of I-95, plus another that is only partially within Sussex County. Exit 31 provides access to the town of Stony Creek, which had a population of 209 as of the 2020 census. This is one of the 4 incorporated towns in Sussex County and was once a stop on the Petersburg Railroad. We conclude today's video at mile 20. Thanks for watching. We'd like to thank our channel members listed at the end of each video. You too can become a member for as little as $1 a month and get early access to our regular videos. Please subscribe, give us a thumbs up, comment below, share and follow us on social media, and join us for our next 504 road trip.